Still typing in the same boring font on Microsoft Word Mobile? Let me show you how to change your font style in just a few taps. It's super easy. Alright, I'm going to assume you already have your document open in the Microsoft Word app. Now, tap and select the text you want to change. If you want to switch the font for the whole document, just select All. Easy. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the menu. See that tiny little arrow? Yeah, tap that to open more options. By default, Word on mobile usually uses the Aptos font. Tap on it, and now you'll see a list of available fonts. Scroll around and pick the font you want. Let's say Times New Roman. Once you tap it, don't worry if nothing changes right away. The font needs to download first, so just wait a moment. And boom, the font is changed. From here, you can also adjust the font size, make it bold, italic, underline it, whatever you need. And that's it. Simple, right? No laptop, no complicated steps. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more quick mobile tips like this. See you in the next one.